Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. I remain Gift Esusa. Thanks for always tuning in. Today I'll be talking about some ways to love yourself, some ways to be yourself, some ways to actually believe yourself. Okay, but before I continue, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not, and place your comments in the comment section below. Okay, the first thing on my list here is one thing you need to understand is that everything will pass away. At the end, it is you with you. It's one lesson you should take in this year, if you've not taken any other lesson down, is that you're absolutely the most important person in the world. For you, you might not be important to me, but for you, you are the most important person in your world. And the next thing I want you to understand there is that you, yes, be yourself daily. Every day, think of how you treat people, think of what you do to make people happy. Do them to yourself. How would you care for that person? Care for yourself the same way or even more. Please don't sideline yourself. For crying out loud, you should be your number one in your life. And also learn to accept your pain. I know, as difficult as it may sound, accept that pain. Accept it. You can't change what happened, but you can change what will happen. So accept that pain and work towards it. Forgive yourself. Allow yourself to be honest with you. Don't lie to yourself. Don't lie to yourself that it's not hurting. It is hurting. So just allow yourself feel the pain so you can grow through it. Find an open heart. With allowing yourself feel the pain, acknowledge it. Accept the pain, acknowledge it, reconcile with your past, reconcile without cold you. Do not forsake that you, because you did something hurtful to yourself. Forgive yourself and move on. And lastly, something I want to say here is that share yourself, discover yourself, the truth about yourself, discover it, the lies about yourself, discover it. Work on your strengths, work on your weakness. Do not neglect your weakness because you're working on your strengths. Work out your own personal bombs, those failures. Begin with them. Don't allow them weigh you down. See them as a stepping stone and step on them and walk through them. Your thoughts are your thoughts and nothing more, nothing less. The first thing you need to realize is that most of us are inherently negative. We have about thousands of thoughts that roam through our mind on a daily. So please push those negatives and be positive to yourself. Learn to love yourself, forgive yourself, trust yourself to be able to move on from those aches, from those pains. It's not easy. Honestly speaking, it is not easy. But try it one step at a time. And don't forget, happiness is key. Thanks for listening. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and place your comments in the comment section below. I'm Gift Esusa.